अरे बच्चों, कल हम एटमॉस्फेयर के अंतर्गत आपको इम्पॉर्टेंस पढ़ाए थे और कहा था इन्हें याद करके कॉपी पर नोट करें और अच्छी तरह तैयार करें आगे के लिए। आप उसी के आगे हम पढ़ा रहे हैं। एयर इज एसेंशियल फॉर ऑल फॉर्म ऑफ लाइफ। विदाउट एयर द अर्थ वुड हैव बीन a lifeless planet. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system where conditions for sustaining life are present. A protective layer of gases surround the Earth, known as the atmosphere, makes life possible on the Earth. The atmosphere is stretched above the Earth to height to about 1000 kilometers. Thought the effective atmosphere lies up to 5 kilometers only, and then gradually merge into outer space. The atmosphere is held around the Earth by gravity. Composition of atmosphere. The atmosphere stretches above the Earth a height of approximately 10,000 kilometers. The gases present in effective atmosphere in descending order of volume are nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, argon 0.9%, and carbon dioxide 0.03%. Other gases present in very small quantities include neon, helium, methane, krypton, hydrogen, and xenon. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere, occupying 70% of the total volume of gases. It is very useful for the survival of planets receive nitrogen indirectly, that is through bacteria living in the soil and their roots, which take nitrogen from the air and change its form. Oxygen is second most plentiful gas in the atmosphere, forming about 20.9% of the total volume of air. It is essential for the survival of animals, including humans. Green planets also produce oxygen during the photosynthesis. Oxygen is the stable gas in atmosphere. Deforestation, however, discuss the ecological balance in nature. क्या कहते हैं आगे इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट में, ड्यूरिंग द 29th century द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द अर्थ हैज इंक्रीज टू एन एक्सटेंट ऑफ 0.3 degree Celsius and 0.8 degree Celsius. Scientists think that global warming is caused by human activities which have resulted in the Earth's natural greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is way that certain gases, especially carbon dioxide, trap some of the solar energy, like glass pans in a house. The greenhouse effect keeps the Earth pleasantly warm, but if it increases, the Earth gets hotter. Deforestation and burning fossil fuels have caused global warming. It has resulted in the extreme weather, melting of polar ice caps, and flooding of low-lying areas. अब उसके आगे और देखें, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज ओनली 0.03 of the total volume of air in the atmosphere, but it is extremely useful for green planets to make their food. Humans and the animals exhale carbon dioxide, which is used by plants. Thus there exists a perfect balance of carbon dioxide in nature. This balance is upset by man. Excessive felling of trees and burning of fossil fuel add a huge amount of carbon dioxide to atmosphere. The increase in the volume of the carbon dioxide in the air raised temperature on the Earth's surface. This phenomenon is known as global warming. It has adversely affected the Earth's weather and climate. Neon, helium, krypton, argon, hydrogen, and ozone are the other gases of the atmosphere, though present in a very small quantity. Ozone is very important for us as it protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. It acts like a shield and protects life on the earth. Water vapor is also present in the atmosphere in a small quantity. It plays a very important role in the climate. Due to its presence, we get rainfall and snowfall. अब देखिए स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर। अब स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर के अंदर कल बताया था मुख्य रूप से हमारी 4 लेयर पाई जाती हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर 5 लेयर बताई गई हैं। तो वो 5 लेयर कौन कौन सी हैं ये आप पढ़ करके आएँ। कल फिर हम इनके बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। धन्यवाद।